What's up, Mariners? This is Abhilash Thakur and welcome to Sailor's Guide. Alright guys, so we are back again with the rules now, and today we have got rule number 5 on the thumbnail, but before that I'm going to start with rule number 4. I'm going to give you little bit of details about it because it's very important to understand. Okay, so I have written here part B, that is steering and sailing rules. We have covered a part A which consists of rule number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, that is application, responsibility and general definitions. Now this is the section, this is part B, and part B has been subdivided into 3 sections. That sections are divided according to the visibility. Okay, so the section 1 is all about the conduct of vessel in any condition of visibility. So it means this section, a section from rule number 4 to rule number 10, okay, this section will be applicable in any condition of the visibility. No matter what the visibility is, these rules are going to get applied. Okay, so rule number 4 is rules in this section apply in all condition of visibility. This is the same thing that what section 1 says. So we are going to do now rule number 5. So it is important you to understand that rule number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, they are all going to get applied in any condition of the visibility. So rule number 5, that is lookout, we will jump onto it now. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, so I have written rule number 5 here, which is lookout. Very important. Okay, as you know, these are the collision regulations, that is steering and sailing rules. I want you to understand that steering a ship is just like driving a car. Okay, it's nothing complicated. It's just very common sense things you need to keep in your mind. Okay, so as you know, a good driver always, when he is driving a car or she is driving a car, she always keep a good lookout. She always look ahead or also around, so that the driver can identify the danger and he can act accordingly. Okay, but in the traffic, you know that there is not much less time, you have to act very quickly. But in case of ships, you need to identify the danger or risk of collision very early. Okay, for that reason you need to maintain a good lookout so that you can identify what dangers are coming ahead. So you have to do everything to get all the information from all the equipments which can help you, which can aid you to navigate the ship. All right, so that is what it is written here, that every vessel shall at all the times maintain a proper lookout. Now they have said shall means it's mandatory. They have not written may could be an option, but here's a technicality term, it has written shall means they have to do it no matter what. At all the times maintain a proper lookout. They have to maintain a proper lookout. Who has to maintain? Every vessel. It's every vessel's duty, by sight and hearing. Now by what they will keep a good lookout? That is, well, of course, by sight and hearing. That are the two primary things you have to do: by sight, by hearing, by your eyes and by your ears. Now what do you mean by hearing here? You know, in restricted visibility you cannot see, so this thing is gone. Yeah, but there are fog signals for that, so you have to listen to the fog signals so that you can identify that some other vessel is coming from any direction it could be. So the hearing part comes into play. Okay, as well as by all available means appropriate in prevailing circumstances. So you have to use sight and hearing, and you have to use all the available means which are available to you at that point of time, at that point of circumstances. In the prevailing circumstances, to what? Prevailing circumstances and conditions, so that make a full appraisal of the situation and of the risk of collision, so that you can understand what is going on outside, so that you can be Of course, lookout will be will able you to identify the things very early, and also it will reduce the risk of collision. If there is any risk of collision, you will act very early, and it will be very good time for both of you guys, for anybody. Okay, so lookout is very important. This is the first thing you need to do to save your ship. So on ship, lookout is very important. You can do it by sight and hearing, or by all available means. All available means could be radar, okay, it could be AIS, that is the automatic identification system, okay, it could be VHF. There could be some VHF information going on, and you can hear and you can understand that something related to the navigation which can affect you. You have to listen to the VHF also. Okay, these all things will help you to keep a good lookout, to get you informed what is going on outside. That is very important. Be aware of the situation, what is going on. Okay guys, so this is all about the rule number 5. I think this video will be helpful to you to understand this rule. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Share this video to all of your friends. This will give me a boost to make videos regularly. And also, you need to understand this rule is very important as per the point of view of examination and practical terms. Okay, because the first thing you need to do to save your ship is lookout. All right, that is very simple to understand, simple application. So I think that's it for today guys. This is Abhilash Thakur signing off.